All right, drink we're about to make is called Scotch Flip. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass. And we'll measure out 2 ounces of scotch. 1 and 2. And we'll follow that up with 1 egg. Got our egg. Go ahead and crack it in. And next we will add 1 teaspoon of superfine sugar. And ½ an ounce of light cream. Okay, now we're going to shake this up. Make sure we shake it really well. You want to get that egg mixed up with everything else. You don't want any pieces of egg floating in the drink. Okay, that should do it. And you also want to make sure that the sugar gets dissolved in with the rest of the drink as well. Okay, we've got our ice already in the glass. We're going to strain in. And the last thing we'll do is just take some nutmeg and just sprinkle that on top. All right. Scotch Flip, bottoms up.